Namaskar. Today we are going to speak about high blood pressure or hypertension. High blood pressure is a very common condition in which the force of the blood against your artery walls is high enough that it may eventually cause health problems. And high blood pressure is the main cause behind heart disease. We can do various pranayams and asanas in order to cure blood pressure or high blood pressure. We can start with the Bhastrika pranayam while you sit in the Padmasana, Ardha Padmasana, Sukhasana or the Vajrasana in which you are comfortable. Then you can do the Anulom Vilom wherein you have to close your right nostril, inhale from the left, lock the left nostril and exhale from the right. Similarly, inhale from the right and exhale from the left. So this is one round of Anulom Vilom that you can practice for 20 to 40 times daily. And similarly, you can do the Ardha Anulom Vilom in which you can close or lock your right nostril and then inhale from the left and exhale from the left. Now lock or close the left nostril, inhale from the right and exhale from the right. Again you can do it for 20 to 40 times. After this, we can practice another form of pranayam, which is the Shitli pranayam. In Shitli pranayam, we would join our teeth, so your lower jaw is above the upper jaw, and you have to inhale from your mouth and exhale from your nose. Try to inhale from your mouth with a force so the air gets in your lungs, and then you can exhale that from your nose. You can do it for 20 to 40 times. And similarly, you can do Sheetkali pranayam in which you can roll your tongue and inhale through your mouth or through the tongue and exhale from the nose. Basically, you would observe that you do not have to concentrate on your exhale. The exhalation goes very naturally and very normal. After this, we'll do the Bhramari pranayam, wherein you have to close your eyes and lock both the ears with using your thumbs, all three fingers on your eyes, fourth finger on your head, you inhale completely, and when you exhale you have to create a sound of a honey bee. Make sure in this pranayam your ears are closed and the sound is loud. Now this is the Udgit pranayam or the Om chanting, wherein you inhale completely and then you have to create a sound of a Om. It has to be 70% O sound and 30% should be the Ma sound or the M sound. And you can do the Bhramari and the Udgir Pranayam for 7 to 10 times each every day. So these are the pranayams for the high blood pressure. And then we will also do one of the asanas which is known as the Shavasana. This is very good for people who are suffering from hypertension or high blood pressure. You have to lie down on your back simply, then loosen your arms, your legs, your complete body should be very loose. Your palms should be facing the ceiling and you should keep your head on the left hand side while your eyes closed. Don't try to think anything other than concentrate on your breath. Try to concentrate on your breathing. Feel the oxygen coming in your body and then going out. Do the breathing very slowly and lose your body. Concentrate on your breath and feel each and every second of your breath. The slower the breathing is, the better for the body. So this is the Shavasana in which you can rest for 5 to 10 minutes daily after completing the workout or after completing the pranayams. Thank you very much for watching this video on hypertension. Namaskar.